This video tutorial will demonstrate how to use the Project Manager user interface in Empire Suite. First, log into your account. Go to the Project Main menu. Select a project. Then select the Project Manager link on the left-hand side main menu. In the top portion of the interface, there are three managers. They are Billing Manager, Project Manager, Project Account Manager. Here is an example of how managers can be used. A billing manager can be used to assist organizations to assign responsibility for the billing processes. That can be done in the client or project level. A billing manager can search for a list of projects he or she is assigned to bill, and bill them one at a time or all at once. Companies that are using our external collaborator feature can use the project managers to restrict the list of employees allowed to be assigned to a specific activity. The external collaborator is only allowed to assign one new activity to one of the three managers or themselves. That's how we control external collaborators from seeing all the employees in the organization. Additionally, when an activity is completed, the employee who completed the activity has the option of reassigning the activity back to the project manager for review. Now, with the addition of our Agile features, we can create a step within a workflow and define the project manager as the default employee for that workflow assignment. When the Include Inactive checkbox is checked, it will include inactive employees in the employee list. If the checkbox is not checked, it will include only active employees. If the checkbox Restrict to Assigned Employees is checked, any employees entered in the list below the checkbox will be allowed to enter time and expenses for that employee. If the checkbox is unchecked, the list is used to pre-populate the employees in Empire Resources Project View. Additionally, we have an import available in the administration that takes an employee code or email address and a project code and builds that list for the project. So if there are 50 employees that you want to assign to a project, you can import them instead of selecting them one at a time through the interface. That menu is called the Client Project Assignment Import, found in the Administration module in the Loads Integration submenu. The type on the left-hand side is the Client and Project. If you want to set up client managers, you can select the Client Radio button and save the managers. Once the client managers are defined, we'll default the managers for the project based on the client managers during project creation. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the Project Manager workflow in Empire Suite.